driving. It's like the snow's already on my knee.
Help is on the way!
Help is on the way, dear!
We slid off the main road and the car got stuck in the snow. We were trying to dig out the car, but the main body is stuck. And was how deep the snow was.
My car is stuck in the snow. And the police officers are right there helping us.
We got out, went to grocery, and went home.
Right? No, they said it's good. But it's not bad. So parking here.